Hi friends, this is Murshid. I'm going to speak a few words about impunity and accountability now. The reason would be that now when it comes to impunity and accountability, that has been of very much importance or other significance during the present time when it comes to the different aspects of the political environments and political instabilities during the recent past and as well as during the present time. We can find it's very much important to focus on corruption. Now corruption has been happening right across since very long period back, and ever since then we have been experiencing different forms of corruption, monetary corruption, non-monetary corruptions, and in varied aspects, be it government sector, non-government sector, wherever we get ourselves up to, any nook and corner we can find corruption. Hence we must know the phrase of impunity as well as accountability, and those words must be educated enough in the minds of our learners. Now when it comes to impunity, it is a basic notion that would incline towards the state of being able to escape, or it's a form of flying scoop from a certain form of a punishment or certain form of a wrongdoing or malfeasance. Hence that particular terminology must be well aware in the midst of our holistic populationistic system. The reason would be that now when it comes to not knowing such phrase or such terms, namely impunity, accountability, then the likelihood is very much higher in order for not to experience such situations. Hence, in our educational system, we must be able to insert that impunity as well as accountability. Now, accountability would mean it's a form of answerability. Now, when it comes to any form of an structure, be it a government structure, non-governmental structure, they are, as an employee, we are answerable to certain officer or certain system, and which we would more often than not refer that as to be accountability. Hence, this impunity and accountability would travel hand in hand, and we must focus too much about this impunity. Now, if there is any loophole in the system, be it in a code of ethics or anything, or even the law, that must be rectified anytime sooner. Otherwise, that would lead the entire system down the garden, and by means of which we can lessen the corruption towards positivity. There are so many tons of examples that we can find, even locally, internationally. There are instances where the culprits, the perpetrators, the wrongdoers would come out of this box of wrongdoing, and hence this impunity must be well practiced, and we must never ever place any room in order to get these perpetrators or wrongdoers out of the system of punishment. Hence, this must be taken into very much of accord so that we can minimize any form of corruption that would be enlightened through education of impunity and accountability. Thank you very much.